Many people ask if they can connect Samsung Buds 2 with the iPhone, as these are not available in the Samsung Buds app. In this video, we will show you how you can pair and use Samsung Buds 2 with iPhone. Also, if you face any problem with the connection of Samsung Buds 2 and iPhone, we will show you how to fix that too. We are using an iPhone 13 Pro Max, but this process will work for all iPhone running on the latest iOS. Before you start the process, you have to make sure you have proper charge in your Samsung Galaxy Buds. Also, your iPhone has more than 20% charge. Otherwise, it might cause a problem. After you do that, open your settings, go to Bluetooth. If the Bluetooth is on for a long time, turn it off, wait a bit, then turn it on. Now open the Samsung Buds case and the Samsung Galaxy Buds will appear under the other devices. As you can see, our Samsung Galaxy Buds appeared in here. If your Samsung Galaxy Bud does not appear on the Bluetooth menu, take the Samsung Galaxy Buds, close the case, wait a few seconds, open the case. Now take two fingers, put them on the touch sensor of the Samsung Buds and the light starts to blink. Keep finger on until the light starts to blink from red to green. When it will start to blink, the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 will appear on the Bluetooth menu. Tap on it and it will be connected. As the Samsung Galaxy Buds does not have an app, many people ask how they can control the volume of the buds. Well, to control it, you need to swipe down the control center and you can use the volume slider of your iPhone to control the volume of your Samsung Galaxy Buds too. So guys, this is the way you can easily connect Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 with your iPhone. You can also fix the problem if it is not showing up in the Bluetooth menu. If you have any query regarding the topic, let us know in the comment below and always stay with our channel. Thank you.